In today's video, I will walk you through how to check trading volume on Bitfinex. Trading volume is one of the most useful pieces of market information available on Bitfinex. It shows how much of a particular asset has been traded over a specific period and can help you better understand overall market activity and liquidity. To get started, open the Bitfinex trading interface and select the trading pair you want to analyze. Once the market loads, you'll see the price chart along with several panels that display market information. One way to check trading volume is by looking at the Market Statistics section. This panel typically includes the 24-hour trading volume, allowing you to quickly see how actively the asset has been traded during the past day. For a more detailed view, look at the bottom of the price chart. You'll see a series of vertical bars displayed beneath the price candles. These bars represent the trading volume for each individual time period shown on the chart. Each bar corresponds to the selected chart time frame. For example, if you're viewing a 1-hour chart, each volume bar represents the total trading volume during that 1-hour period. If you switch to a different time frame, the volume bars will automatically adjust to match the new interval. To inspect a specific volume value, move your cursor over one of the volume bars. The chart tooltip will display additional information for that period, including the exact trading volume along with the corresponding price data. If you don't see the volume bars below your chart, you can enable the volume indicator through the Indicators menu. Watching how volume changes during upward or downward price moves can provide additional context while you're analyzing market activity. And that's how to check trading volume on Bitfinex.